me, Indiana Fever, don't get mad at me. I came to the Fever with Caitlin. If Caitlin get snatched by the New York Liberty, I'm from New York.
They made it clear that they want Caitlin Clark, or they're eventually going to want Caitlin Clark. Along those lines, they made it very, very clear. And that team is the New York Liberty. And today, we have just seen the New York Liberty players, after the game, meeting up with Caitlin Clark. It is Stewie, it is Sabrina Ionescu, there is Sandy Brondolo. And by the way, Stewie is not leaving New York the rest of her career. That is one thing that I will be 99% sure of. That Stewie is not leaving.
Hold up. What we're witnessing right here is a masterclass in recognizing greatness. While every other franchise in this league is playing blind, deaf, and dumb, the New York Liberty just showed exactly why they're championship material. Sabrina, Stewie, Coach Brondello, these people see what's in front of them. They don't hate, they don't diminish, they respect. And that respect is about to change everything.
We got secret meetings going on, y'all. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Yeah, Caitlin Clark had a secret meeting, a little powwow, just a little powwow with the New York Liberty post-game. Listen, I'm not saying it's everything, but it damn sure ain't nothing. I think it's more like something. I think it's something, y'all. We better pay close attention to this. If I'm the Indiana Fever, you better tighten up. You better get your...
Y'all, this is what we've been waiting for. That tunnel meeting wasn't just a handshake, that was a statement. The Liberty just sent a message to the entire WNBA. We recognize greatness when we see it. While other teams are busy being petty, New York is playing 4D chess. This is how you build a dynasty, people.
I think there is a 50-50 chance Caitlin Clark leaves Indiana after her rookie season. No, after rookie season, after rookie contract is up. Because I have a feeling that with all the restricted free agency and everything, I think they're going to try to get rid of all coring out of the CBA. I don't think coring is going to be a thing. I don't think coring is going to be a thing in the CBA. And obviously, look, you're going to have to core players. And they're going to have to core Aaliyah a year earlier than Caitlin. And if they're scared Aaliyah is going to leave, and if they're like, oh, we want to core and trade Caitlin, then Aaliyah leaves for nothing. And Caitlin leaves for nothing. So it's a bit...
Listen to me carefully. What Breanna Stewart just did is revolutionary. She called Caitlin a knockdown shooter, acknowledged her range, and said, I respect her as a great player. Respect. That word is extinct everywhere else in this league. While other players are voting her 9th among guards, 9th, Stewart is out here showing what real champions do. They elevate each other. They recognize greatness. This is why the Liberty are already planning their championship parade, and everyone else is planning their excuses.
You know, just trying to be that kind of soundboard for her and that voice, having gone through something kind of similar, and, you know, knowing obviously it's really unfortunate that we don't have her, but, you know, she means a lot more to the game than just showing up and playing. And I think you're able to see that with just the excitement in Indy right now, regardless of if she's playing or not.
And don't even get me started on Sabrina Ionescu. This woman said Clark means more to the game than just showing up and playing. She gets it. She understands the Clark effect will be felt even when she's not on the court. Meanwhile, what are other players doing? Hating. Pure, undiluted jealousy. They're too busy counting Caitlin's highlights instead of creating their own. The Liberty see the big picture. Clark isn't just a player, she's the future. And smart organizations position themselves next to the future, not against it.
But this is how it starts in sports. This is how it starts in the NFL. This is how it starts in the NBA. When you start seeing the wheels in motion, there's signs. There's signs before eventually a player gets traded. A player eventually marks their next destination. The Indiana Fever, you're on notice. You're on notice. You better recognize what you've got going on, the asset in front of you, and you do whatever you have to do to correct what is happening.
That photo tells everything. Caitlin Clark, her agent, Sabrina, Stewie, and Coach Brondello in the tunnel. That's not small talk, that's business. The Liberty just made their intentions crystal clear. They're not hiding it. They're not playing games. They want greatness on their roster.
Coach, obviously Caitlin Clark out of the game, but she's expressed her desire to help you out. From the coaching perspective, have you gotten anything about maybe her traits as a coach?
Yeah, not yet. No, obviously unfortunate about Caitlin's not into this game, but she's going to still have a great impact on this team. I will give the coaching hat to her as much as she wants, to be quite honest. So, we're going to play around with it a little bit. It'll be fun to... I think you've seen it with the Fever. She's been very active on the sideline when she wasn't playing, so we'll utilise that as well.
Can you imagine the absolute chaos if Clark joins this Liberty squad? We're not talking about a super team, we're talking about basketball domination. The rest of the league would need to forfeit and save everyone's time.
Caitlin Clark might be on her way out. She let it be known. Y'all saw her trade Cheryl Reeves on national TV for Sammy Brondello. Y'all saw her trade Cheryl Reeves for the Liberty coach on national TV and flat out humiliate Cheryl Reeves. The New York Liberty have let it be known long ago that they want Caitlin Clark. Have you seen the New York Liberty playing dirty against Caitlin Clark? No. Have you seen them flagrant fouling and knocking her all over the place? No. They playing a long game. While the Fever and everybody else is playing checkers, the Liberty been playing chess this whole goddamn time.
The contrast here is staggering. On one side, New York Liberty showing respect, appreciation, class. On the other side, a league full of grown adults acting like jealous middle schoolers. Players voting her 9th for All-Stars while she's breaking records and selling out arenas. The disconnect is insane.
But the Liberty have shown her love. We've seen that as a bit of a theme. There was the moment between Stewie and Clark when Clark came back from injury the first time. And then there was some nice words. I missed the moment myself of them posted up there for a second. But there were some nice words from Liberty coach Sandy Brondello that I did capture. And I thought they were...
Rich Eisen, Dick Vitale, Coach K, legends, calling it exactly what it is, pure jealousy. When the legends speak, you listen.
The moment with Caitlin in the second quarter, how did you look back on that moment? Did you get a lot of texts from friends or DMs?
No.
How do you react to that? Yeah.
I mean, I think in the moment, it was shot clock was going down, right? I know she wants to go left to shoot the three. So trying to be as close as I can, but she was deep out there, and when she made it, she was just kind of laughing, and I was laughing. It was a great shot. It was a tough shot, and it's one of those ones where you're and you go to the other end, and I'm happy. I'm seeing a lot of great sportsmanship. Love that.
Dick Vitale has spoke. This is how you feel about the WNBA players voting Caitlin Clark the 9th best guard in the league. Absolutely pure jealousy that the WNBA players voted Caitlin Clark the 9th best guard. Someday, they will realize what she has done for all the players in the WNBA. Charted planes, increasing salary, sold out crowd, improved.
Indiana Fever, you are on notice. You've got the most transformational player in women's basketball history, and you're treating her like she's just another rookie. Minute restrictions? Are you serious? This woman is your franchise.
What's crazy is that her team lost the damn game, but Caitlin is all smiles. She's all smiles. She's all smiles. So many people is insinuating. They're insinuating that Caitlin Clark could be trying to get the hell out of Indy. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. Your boy John Liquidator I definitely want her to get out of Indy, bro. And it's this photo right here that is really heating up.
While players across this league are throwing tantrums because someone else is getting attention, the Liberty are out here showing maturity. They're not threatened by greatness, they're attracted to it. That's championship DNA right there.
Guys keep talking about Mrs. Me Too wanting to go to the New York Liberty. Oh, she's going to be the perfect fit. Oh, the coach loves her. Oh, the Stewie and the team loves her. This is what happens, and this is somebody who appreciates real basketball. This is what happens when Caitlin Clark is fucking dropping firebombs on you. Bow, 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 back to back to back. You fucking applaud her and you smile because you love it. This right here. Yes. She appreciates someone like this. Now, imagine if these two were teammates. Thing one, thing two. They're winning 4 straight.
Y'all see that agent in the tunnel? That's the key detail everyone's missing. When agents get involved in post-game conversations, that's not courtesy, that's strategy. The Liberty aren't just complimenting Clark, they're recruiting her. This is how tampering starts, people.
Why is her agent there? That is the key. All right, that's the key. Her agent's involved? Some representative is involved? That's what you... they're talking strategy. How many strategy conversations have agents involved in them? Seriously.
Caitlin Clark has earned the right to play wherever she wants. She's the reason y'all got pay raises, charter flights, and sold-out arenas. She doesn't need anyone's approval. The numbers speak for themselves.